Cabbage. I'm out of Uniontown, PA, and this is my 03 Toyota Tacoma. Main sponsor for it's IPG Parts. They give us a lot of parts. Next day, we're good friends with Tom and James. They really hook us up. Basic build, it's a Honda K24 engine with a power glide underneath of it. Pistons and rods, mainly turbo tough rods in it. G pistons, TSX head on it with Super Tech valve springs retainers. Bill Hincher, he built the adapter plate to adapt the trans to the motor. Guy out of Ohio, he kills it. He gets them good. FTI, transmission and converter. Wednesday I had issues with the converter. We called FTI, they sent us a converter out that next day, man, it was awesome. Me and my buddies, we're CD Fab, we built the chassis, built the turbo kit, built everything. Joe Fisher, Fisher Tune, the tuner, make sure this thing runs the best. I mean, I wouldn't even be able to get on a track without him. It's on Honda K Pro. Got the Kindle Fire, it's actually Bluetooth back onto the dash, it tells me when to shift. It's pretty cool. With this K-Series engine, your buddy has a similar truck, kind of. Yeah. Why did you choose a Honda platform? I've always been into Hondas. When I originally started doing it, I figured K-Series. I seen all the money he spent on that on the 2J, and the engine management was my big thing. Motec's like $3,000, and I really couldn't afford a Honda. That's only $800. So I was like, yeah, we'll do that. We'll save a lot of money on the ECU, and just always been the Hondas. You know what I mean? So I wanted to put a Honda motor in it. So right now you're qualifier number 1. Yeah, I'm number 1 right now with an 822, 160 mile an hour. We're on cow track, Sleeve Springs. We're going 114 into 60, man. This thing's just getting up and going. Definitely, you can see it literally lifting up. I think one of the pads you had like a wheelie going. Yeah, the first pass we didn't give it enough power, and it wheelied up there, and it was scary. I was bouncing down the track. Yeah. But I think we got it pretty much figured out now. We went in testing we went 827, then we backed it up with an 825, and then on the second qualifier we went 822. It's a bracket car right now. We'll see what it does. Well, good luck out there, man. Thank you. How do you feel? Oh, it feels awesome. I just won World Cup.
Now you gotta eat that hoagie. That's in the seat. That cold cut you're sitting on.
Cut your seat, bro.
Cold cut for everybody.
You rode it to victory.
Oh,
you're so sick.
Oh, yeah. I said on the whole pass.
We all get turkey subs now, right?
I
bought that yesterday, and Tom put it there right before your pass.
That's great.
I didn't eat it because I didn't have time to go back over there.
All right, can I get everybody hold up one? All right, on three. 1, 2, 3. Congratulations.